there, little friends! Today, we're going to learn a new letter and meet a fun animal. First, let's draw the letter M together. Awesome! You did a great job! Now, can you guess which animal starts with the letter M? M is for monkey. Monkeys are so much fun! Let's count 5 monkeys together. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, and that's 5. Great job counting, everyone! Now let's meet some real monkeys. Look at them go! Monkeys love to climb and swing. Did you know monkeys are very smart and live in groups called troops? Isn't that cool? We had so much fun learning about the letter M and monkeys today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Color Fun Factory for more exciting learning adventures. See you next time!